and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making dark Jamaican gingerbread. The first thing I'm going to do is sieve my plain flour . I'm now going to add in my spices. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of ground ginger, and 1 dessert spoon of powdered cinnamon. In my little bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk, and add half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and mix it in. I have put my saucepan on a low heat. I am now going to add in butter, dark brown sugar, golden syrup, and black treacle. And 75 millilitres of water. I'm now going to constantly keep mixing until everything melts. I am now going to pour all my mixture into the bowl and beat it vigorously. I'm now going to add my beaten egg in a little bit at a time. Add in my bicarbonate of soda and milk mixture. I have greased my loaf tin with butter. I'm now going to add my cake mixture into my loaf tin. Fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm now going to bake it for an hour and 15 to an hour and a half in the oven. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.